Hey guys, I'm back again checking out the latest release of the PA ROM. You can see right here it's version 3.99.1 RC1. That RC1 stands for Release Candidate 1. So we're not quite at 4.00 yet. We'll get there soon, but this version does have some nice improvements. So yeah, let's go ahead and check those out. First up is the re-inclusion of the theme engine. This was taken out when PA was updated to Android 4.3. It's now been re-included and it's working just fine. You can access it by pulling down your notification shade, going into settings, scrolling down to personal, and you'll see themes. Now this works just as it did before, so there's no real changes. You can download and install themes from the Play Store. You can hit apply and it will apply and it will work. And you can see there my theme has now changed. I know a lot of people really miss the theme engine, so yeah, it's back. Go ahead and enjoy it. Next up, they've given you the ability to set icon packs on the default launcher. Right now I'm using Nova, so we'll head over to the default launcher. This is the one that comes with the ROM. And if we hold anywhere on the screen, we can get to launcher settings. You can see we now have an icon pack option. You can click into this and change your icon pack. Let's pick, I don't know, minimal UI. You do have to restart the launcher, and there we go. You can see the icons on the bottom here are minimal UI, and so are the ones in the app drawer. Next up, we got some Halo additions. You can see right here a ninja mode. Halo will disappear completely when empty. I haven't actually got it on right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and activate this and show you. You'll notice that as soon as I activate it, Halo will disappear because I don't have a notification. So you can see it goes all the way off the screen. Now we can call in a notification. You can see Halo will ping back out just like normal. There you go. And if we get rid of this notification so we don't have any in Halo, you'll see that eventually, because of ninja mode, Halo will completely disappear. There we go, completely out of sight. Now you can actually call this back out if you remember where it is just by pulling out, but yeah, ninja mode is pretty awesome. You've also got message box animation, and if we force a notification here, you can see exactly what that is. So if you use Halo here, you can see that little flip. Now, that's the message box animation. If you don't want that flip, you can go into here and click none, and you can see now that flip doesn't happen. That's actually how I prefer it, because that flip actually kind of gets on my nerves a little bit. So again, you've got the option there. Right at the bottom, you've also got ping on unlock. Now, we had this before, but you couldn't actually toggle it. Halo will ping when device is unlocked if new notifications were received. So you can tick this or untick this. Basically, if you have the device locked and you unlock it, Halo will ping out if you have some notifications. So you've got some good additions there. It's definitely an upgrade. Another thing they've actually added with Halo, and it only works in Pi mode, so it only works in full screen mode. Let's just go back to desktop so you can actually see this. If you hold Halo, you can see you get these nice little bubbles that kind of come up out of nowhere and tell you all your information about your clock and what you're connected to and how much battery you have left. So again, a nice addition there from the PA team. Very smooth animations as well, really polished. Good stuff. One of my favorite changes on this update has got to be the screenshot quick trash edition. Now you can see a screenshot in my status bar right here. If I pull that down, normally you only have the option to share, and let's say you share this with your friend, you then have to go into the gallery and delete the screenshot, otherwise it's going to clog up your internal storage. They've now added the trash button. You can just click this and boom, it's deleted. So once you've shared it with your friends, you can hit the trash button and it's now no longer clogging up your internal storage. It just makes it a little bit easier, you know, and that's what it's all about. And that's honestly what I've used the most on this upgrade. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Lastly, they've made some kernel changes. They've added the IntelliDemand governor, and they've given you control over thermal and MP decision. Now they have already made these changes, so if you don't want to mess around with it, you don't have to. You should get better battery life and better performance straight off the bat, but if you do want to mess around with it, you have to install Trickster mod from the Play Store. You can see it right here. And you can see I'm using the IntelliDemand governor. If we swipe to the right, you can see MP decision control. This gives you loads of different options. For example, minimum cores, maximum cores, the boost time and the boost frequency and everything like that. And you've also got thermal control, so you can tell when the device is going to throttle and what frequency it's going to throttle to. Like I said, if you don't know what you're doing with this, just leave it alone, otherwise you're going to end up messing your device up. So there you go, guys, that's the RC1 update. There's loads of other stuff I didn't mention, like bug fixes, code fixes, and JSS optimizations. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to Paranoid Android 4.0. Peace out.